Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to unbox the brand new X12 smartwatch that we have here in front of us. As you can see, we have a very simple smartwatch and we're going to see what we have in here. As you can see in the background, we have a similar watch, but that is digital, and this is the smartwatch. So as you can see in the back, we have some specifications starting from 0.96 inch screen. We have the battery and we have a couple of options which we're going to talk about later. And the package, as you can see, is very simple. We have the watch itself in the front. Underneath we have the charger, very simple charger, 2 points of charging and 2 magnets to hold it. And we have the user manual, which comes in different languages like always. You can see we have here all the options and all kinds of stuff explained, as well as the warranty, and we have all the details in there in case you want to go ahead and read it. This is now the watch. As you can see, let's peel this off. This is the most satisfying thing that we are going to do today. But as you can see now, it's powered on. We have only 2 buttons and the screen is very small but colorful, which is always great. As you can see in the middle, we have only the button. We have location, heart rate, health, sleep, sports. Here in sports we have walk, run, cycling, basketball, swim, table tennis, badminton, climb, football, and that's it for sports. We have messages, more. Here in more we have about, QR code, reset, and power off. Also we have here steps and distance that we didn't mention in the beginning. In health we have heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen, and ACG, which is very rare in smartwatches, but this one has. So we are going to try all of these options later and we will see how this small smartwatch will work. The 696 smartwatch is IP68 waterproof, so you have no fear to swim with it and shower or whatever. It has a 0.96 inch screen and only one touch button in the middle of the screen. Supports Bluetooth 4.0, Android 4.4 or above, and also iOS 9.0 and above. It has heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen, ACG, sports, and sleep monitoring, which we will see in this video just a few minutes later. So this is the 696 smartwatch, and these are the options that this watch is offering us. Let's see now how these options that we mentioned works and if it's worth to buy for the price that it has. Let's go straight to the heart rate, wait a few seconds, and see the result in the end of this session. So a few seconds later, as you can see, we have the results here. We have time per minute. You have in the bottom of the screen right here. So this is the heart rate option. As you can see, the heart rate is rising. And I hope this is correct. I'm not sure, but let's hope for the best, see how the other option will work, and we will have a conclusion in the end if it works or not. Let's go ahead and see other options, what we have next. Press and hold to quit. Let's go for blood pressure. Let's wait again a couple of seconds and see how it goes. The blood pressure, it takes a little bit longer than the heart rate, but as you can see, we have now here the results. I speed up the timing so it's less boring for you. Let's try now the oxygen in blood and see if it goes faster than the previous result. So as you can see, again we have the percentage of our oxygen. After a few seconds it shows you the result. Let's try the ACG now, and as you can see it's showing real time as it should. And this is the first time maybe that we tried ACG in our channel in our smartwatches. I can't remember if we had before ACG in some of our smartwatches, but it's very interesting to try new things. Let's try now here walk. As you can see, we have the name walking here, we have the seconds, burnt calories. Next we have the heart rate. We have here other options like steps and distance, and this is the walking session. Press and hold, it will go out of the walking mode. So this is the sport, and these are the result on this smartwatch. So as I mentioned in the beginning, and we saw the whole video, in the background we had the similar or the same smartwatch, but this is digital one, it's not smart. And we've been waiting for a smart device in this shape. It's very good, very sporty. As you can see in this one, we have the time, we have a date. As you can see, we have stopwatch, we have reminders, and actually we have clocks and timing. You can see right here. We have a lot of options in this one, but it's not smart. It's water resistant as it says. And the smart one that we got in our hands is much smaller, is not thick like the digital one, and much practical. So guys, this was all for today's video in showing you the 696 smartwatch. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video with another smartwatch.